Did you see the news? You can link a Google Meet to your classroom. So if you've logged in the classroom, it will invite you to do this. So when I go to like our PLC classroom, it has the link right there. But now, how do I get it in my test classroom? Because I'm here and go up here to your settings cog. I'm gonna click, and then when I scroll down, now there it is under the general Meet. Make this visible to students. I can generate a Meet link. And if I don't want it, I can turn it off. If I want it, turn it on. All right, so then I click save. Remember, that's the most important thing. Click save. And then I have a Meet for my class. And all kids have to do is click there and we are good to go. All right, what a great update. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, let me know. Thanks for watching.